Hi there, welcome to my Dust and Glory vertical template. I want to give you a brief glimpse into what it can do. First, there are a few different options for backgrounds that automatically come with this template. There's a flag option here. I can shut that off and just have a cool dusty scene, or I can also turn on a sky and have a nice blue puffy clouds back there. And you can incorporate the flag into that sky if you want to also. It's super easy to insert and modify this template. Just shut off my sample subject, have an already extracted subject that you can drag and drop into there, and then position where you think fits well. The colors can easily change. So for example, I could select a blue from his hat and change it up something like that. You can move a lot of these elements around. So for example, the sunlight here, I can reposition in different areas if I'd want to. I could even shut that off. I have a stadium light in there that you can move around, adjust, size, and modify however you like there. You can incorporate the subject's name and school down here, or instead of the name, you could do something just like Spartan Nation, or you could do, for example, South Tama Spartans down here. You can rearrange this text and type in whatever you want. This is a very impactful and easy to use template, and I'm sure your athletes are going to love it.